Today's video, I have the August RoccaBox. Let's see what we've got this month. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, I have the August RoccaBox. I am dying to see what we get in here. I think you can actually, if you go on the website, you can see what you get before you get it every month, but I like the surprise. So this costs £15 per month, £3.95 postage on top of that. If you subscribe for a 6-month or a 12-month, that does bring the cost down of that as well. I do have a link. I'll pop the link down in the information box. Give that a click and it'll get you 50% off your first box, which is a nice little saving indeed. But yeah, this is inside the box. We have a leaflet there for some kind of perfume, so I wonder if we've got some perfume in here. We have the edit card. This edit is called Beauty Shelfie. So yeah, there's a quick sneak peek of that. It just says that this box has a value of £129, which is cool. I'm just going to move everything up top so we can have a proper little sneaky peek. There we go. There is a sneak peek. But let's get straight in here and have a good dig around to see exactly what we've got. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Guys, totally forgot, but you do have to scan the QR code there to get the digital edit card. I think if they're going to do that, they might as well just follow suit with Glossybox and put a little card in. Why a whole big ass leaflet? I've got no idea. But on the back of the leaflet, it does have a sneak peek for September. It's by the brand Archives and it's the Good Habit Hybrid Oil with an RRP of £14. So yeah. Right, so the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand espa, and this is an Overnight Glow Enzyme Peel. It's a deluxe mini and it has a value of £22.50. It just says this overnight peel delivers glycolic-like benefits, exfoliating food enzyme action, and a supple hydration for ultimate skin radiance that you can see and feel. Applied at night, so it works whilst you get your beauty sleep. You'll wake up with glowing, resurfaced, luminous skin each morning. Sold. Okay. Yeah, apply in the evening. Apply a pea-sized amount to freshly cleanse skin. Plain, simple and to the point. And need I say more? It's espa. I received this already. I have no idea because my drawers are literally bursting. I can't remember trying it if I have. But yeah, I'll have to have a dig around, make sure. But yeah, either way, can't wait to try it. Second product is a Lucky Dip product. So it's by the brand Doctor's Formula, and you're either going to get the probiotic 12-hour day moisturizer, which is full size and has a value of £89, or you're going to get the probiotic 8-hour night moisturizer full size worth exactly the same, £89. So the one that I have got is this. It is the night moisturizer that I have. So it just says here, a replenishing night moisturizer which aims to help maximize cell regeneration and work to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated whilst you sleep when your skin's transepidermal water loss is at its highest. Used on cleansed skin in the evening. Yeah, cool. I think I have had this before and used it before and I like it. This box is totally sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed. It comes in a little tube. But yeah, I love this brand as well. Absolutely adore this brand. £89. Wow. Third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Posh Bomb, and this is a hand sanitizer in jasmine and sandalwood. This is a full-size product and it has a value of £4. Long gone are the pandemic days, thank God, but we still need to take good care of our hands. We've picked Posh Balm for your box because it's a Jubilee posh version of the same old hand sanitizer that we know and love. The gel formula will evaporate, leaving your hands clean, nourished and perfectly fragrant. Apply the gel to your hands and massage both fronts and backs between your knuckles, wrists and fingernails. So I have lots of hand sanitizers and hand creams and all of that shebang. What separates this from the rest? Let's just give it a go. Oh, so yeah, there you go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I nearly lost it. So the second you start massaging it in, it basically turns to a liquid from that loose gel. But yeah, that does smell nice, I must admit. I can feel it drying on my hands now. Drying quite quick. I'm just waiting for it to dry because I want to see if it's sticky or not. And there we go, it is dry. Can you hear that? Dry, not sticky, that's great. So the initial smell of alcohol has evaporated. That was quite strong. And now we are left with the sandalwood and jasmine smell. That's actually really nice. I'm quite happy I've got that, and I love the size of it. That's full size, it's £4. That smells absolutely gorgeous. That's going straight in my handbag. Fourth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Revolution, and this is an AHA body cleanser full size. It has an RRP of £9. Meet skincare for your body, a new discovery which we're shouting from the rooftops about. Formulated with lactic acid and glycolic acid to help even texture and remove rough and flaky skin. The soft and creamy formula cleanses the skin without stripping it of its natural lipids, leaving you feeling clean, soft and smooth. Use daily to cleanse skin, apply on your hands and work into the skin and rinse. Funny enough, I have got one of these in my bathroom. I've had it for a little while, and I opened it a few days ago, like 3 or 4 days ago, and this is what I'm currently using at the moment. And guys, I really like it. I'm actually really happy to get another one because my skin loves this, and my skin is so picky. So yeah, really glad to get that. Fifth product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand FFS, and this is a double-sided tannin mitt, full size, and it has a value of a £5. A double-sided tannin mitt with a velvet finish to help you achieve a streak-free, well-blended tan. Apply your fake tan of choice and work into your skin in a circular motion. P.S. This can also work for body shimmers, creams, and much more. I'm actually glad that it's gone further into that because I cannot remember the last time I tanned. I'm not really into tan. I've been talking about recently possibly doing a tanning video in the future. Haven't made my mind up yet. I'm a bit scared, if I'm honest. So if this literally was just for tanning, it would be a waste for me. I'm just not into it. But I would never have thought to put body shimmers, especially if you're going on a night out. I wouldn't have thought to put body shimmers on with it, and I certainly wouldn't have thought to put body creams on and stuff with it. Interesting. That really, yeah, it's given it some more uses, which is fabulous. That feels so nice. I'm leaving it in the box because I can't be bothered to take it out, if I'm honest. But yeah, that does feel really nice, and I'm loving like the lilac-y colour. It's like a smoky purpley colour. Very nice. Okay, so the sixth and final product in the box, again, we'll go back to this leaflet. I think I'm losing my mind. In fact, no, I lost it a while ago, but there was a little tiny sample of a perfume here, and I had it. Don't know what I've done with it. Honestly, I've had it in my hand a second ago, and it has disappeared off the face of the earth. So awesome. So yeah, I will try and find my little sample perfume because I've had it before and it smells lush. So it's by Ellie Saab, and it's Girl of Now perfume. It just says no Shelfie is complete without a luxe perfume. This is one of the most must-have scents for the season ahead. Top notes include pineapple, pear, orange and prosciutto. But yeah, what the hell did I do with that? I don't know, but it smells lush. Right guys, so this is the August RoccaBox Beauty Shelfie, worth £129. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a pretty decent box, not bad at all. So let's just quickly go over the products again. So we've got the enzyme peel by espa. Hello espa, awesome. We have probiotics by Doctor's Formula. Love that brand so much. £89 hell. Jesus. We have that hand sanitizer. Guys, that is different from the rest of the hand sanitizers that I have. Initially, when you put it in your hand, you can, I've got a hair on my face and that's really bugging me. When you put it in your hand, you think, oh, it's that really strong alcohol scent. It kind of takes away from the scent of what it's supposed to be. But as soon as that's evaporated and your hands are dry, your hands smell of what it says it's supposed to smell of, and it's gorgeous. And my hands don't feel sticky at all. They feel really, really nice. Cool. Didn't think I'd ever get excited about a hand sanitizer ever again, but hey ho. We have the body cleanser by Revolution. Like I say, I'm currently using that at the minute. That is such a coincidence, but I love it, absolutely love it. So really happy to get another one. The little sample perfume, yeah, if I can ever find it ever again, happy with that. And yeah, originally when I first saw that, I thought, great, a tanning mitt. I don't tan, so that has no use whatsoever for me. But in the description, when it says, yeah, you can use your body creams and body stuff with it, with shimmers and stuff, that is like totally shed a new light for me, because yeah, I would not have thought about doing that. And that's exactly what I'm going to do with that. And it feels absolutely beautiful. So yeah, this definitely gets a thumbs up from me. What do you think? If you are interested in getting this box, I will pop the link down below in the information box. Get 50% off your first box, which is a great little saving indeed. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.